Fine, let me go with the 19th problem here. Right. So the value of x to the power of minus 4, right? X to the power of minus 4 dot y to the power of minus 6, that divided by x to the power of minus 16 into y to the power of minus 7. So we are supposed to simplify it, right? To solve this, right, what we can do here is, so let us take this. See, we know the formula, that is a to the power of m by a to the power of n, which is going to give us a to the power of m minus n. Let me use this formula. This is going to be base is x, same here in the numerator and denominator. So x to the power of minus 4 minus 16 dot y to the power of minus 6 minus 7, right? So x to the power of minus 4 minus into minus, that is going to be plus 16 dot y to the power of minus 6 minus into minus, that is going to be plus, right, plus 7. Now simplify it. 16 minus 4 is going to be 12, x to the power of 12. So y, 7 minus 6 is going to be 1. So the answer is 1. Right, option B is the